As those two birds chirp, chirp, chirp away, and the fowls are trying to communicate with them in such a wonderful way. To me, they are trying to have a conversation, but I don't speak bird and I don't speak chicken. Therefore, I don't understand them. I love nature, I admire nature. It's such a passion to me. And there's never a dull moment for learning. For learning have no end. Right? Alright. I am here to give you two advice that you must have. Two behaviors. Two valuable items that you must have in your everyday life. Ready? You should get a pen and a piece of paper and write this down. You must have management skills and discipline. Work on those two right now. You must have management skills and discipline. In your everyday life. This is mandatory to have. Work on them right now, wherever you are, whatever you are doing. Focus on your management and discipline skills. Thank you so much. I hope we are staying focused. Do some work on yourself. Today is Sunday, May 17. I am alive. We are alive. And we have no choice but to give thanks. Peace and love. Have a great and productive day. I am Jamaican. Peace out.